In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify phone number in Google Ads. Verifying your phone number lets your ads show a clickable call option so potential customers can reach you directly when they're most interested. I'll walk you through the exact path in the Google Ads interface and share a few tips to make sure your number is eligible and active when you need it. First, open your Google Ads account and sign in. Give the dashboard a moment to load so all menus populate correctly. On the left side, click Campaigns. This puts you in the main workspace where your campaign tools and settings live. Next, click Assets. This is the section where you manage all the extras that can appear with your ads, including call assets. If you've used Google Ads for a while, you might remember this area was previously called Extensions. Assets is the updated name, and it's where we want to be. In the Assets view, click the plus icon, then choose Call. This opens the setup window for your call asset. You'll see a field to enter your phone number. Type in the number you want customers to call. Double-check the country code and make sure the number can receive calls or texts on the spot, since verification depends on that. Now click Advanced Options. Here you can customize which days and hours your phone is active. This is especially helpful if you only answer calls during business hours or if you have different staffing on weekends. Set the schedule so your call asset only shows when someone is available to pick up. A precise schedule can improve customer experience and reduce missed calls. When you're happy with the schedule, click Save. That locks in your settings and prepares your number for verification. At this point, Google will send you a code to verify the number. Keep your phone nearby and make sure it can receive the verification message or call. Follow the on-screen prompt to complete that verification with the code you receive. If the code doesn't arrive right away, give it a minute and confirm you have good reception and the correct number format. Once verified, your call asset becomes eligible to show with your ads during the days and hours you selected. That's all there is to it. Open your account, go to Campaigns, head into Assets, add a call asset, enter your number, adjust advanced options, save and complete the verification. You're ready to start driving more calls from your ads.